Next, we add an if-else node to route the brain's output to the right branch. So whether it's diet, exercise suggestions, general or others. Let me also drag this notes. You can write notes here also for memory or for comments purpose. So I will write like these things are outputting from our brain agent diet and exercise suggestions. Then we have general. This all were the properties in our JSON and others. And as you can see from here, diet, exercise suggestions, general and others. Okay, so let me drag this if else logic node. I will connect the output of brain to if else logic node. We can enter condition. So if particular intent is matched, then we will route it to the right branch, or we can say the right agent further onwards. So let me select this one, output passed dot intent, like this, input dot output underscore passed dot intent, and if it equals to diet, then we'll route it to some different thing, say another agent. Let me select another intent. Okay, not I will write it pass dot intent. It should be exactly like this, input dot output underscore pass dot intent equals. So next thing we have is exercise suggestions. Okay, this is not correct. Let me correct it. Okay, now this is correct. Then we have what is the next property we have? We have general. So if our brain agent predicted the intent of user query as general, and if it equals to this condition, and if this condition is true, then it will route to some other agent. Finally, I will write, let me copy this, for the last property, which is others. Okay, so as you can see here, so this prepares our if else block.